Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today again I'm just continuing the same vlog. Don't miss to watch full video guys. This is completely a travel video and still we have not reached Vijayawada and it will take another 10 to 11 hours. So as soon as I woke up yesterday night it was damn tired. I could not take the room video also guys. I just went and slept off and now it is a morning. I just woke up. It is around 10 o'clock and we just been to have a coffee. It was damn tired and my head was aching very badly, and here because lack of sleep, and we just came and drank coffee, and so there are a few snacks available. Maybe in travel it might be so helpful, though we are not finding any hotels nearby, so I just purchased few snacks. And so once I'm done with taking all the snacks, and now I'm just going to the room to fresh up. Before fresh up, there is a few safety measures which we have to follow once we are traveling at particular situation, that is steaming. So I just carried this because this video also available. Where did I purchase everything, guys? So this is how we, after finishing taking steam, then we freshed up and then we came to have the breakfast. So it is Andhra. Obviously, the Pongal idli chutney is a very famous dishes we can call. So after finishing our breakfast, then we left for the day, and then this video is completely a travel video, and it is completely journey. This because it is too long which we are going. It is almost 630 kilometers from our place, and the journey was really excellent, exciting, everything full of happiness. I really enjoyed this journey guys, and this journey we already been the same place 6 years back. Let's see how it will be now, and the time came to have a lunch, so we just finished our lunch. Again we started journey, and of course it is Andhra. Obviously the meals is very special because so we ordered the special Andhra meals. It was so tasty guys, we really enjoyed having food in Andhra. And this is actually Tirupati highway, and it is so beautiful mountains you can see guys. Please have a look and enjoy the mountains, very beautiful mountains. That it is a rainy season, you should see wherever you see there is a greenery guys. Enjoy the greenery. This is Nellore guys. We have reached Nellore, and look at the place. It was so pleasant and so greenery, so I thought of sharing with you guys. Enjoy. And meanwhile it was blow was very less in our car tire, so we just filling it up. So once it is done, if you see it is still have a time to reach the Nellore, and this is actually a Nellore toll gate guys, which was very huge. Traffic was there, and that too guys who are really traveling, please have a FASTag, because without FASTag it really takes a lot of time to go to the other places if you have a toll gates. And there are without toll gates ways also, but still it is not safe. Please travel only through toll gates, but please have a FASTag. And but Cashline also available, but it will really take a lot of time. So wherever we go, there were FASTags are available, but still we don't have a FASTag. So finally we are just going only through Cashline only. So guys, this is how it was. Almost 7 o'clock. The view is beautiful from the flyover, so I thought of taking with the colorful lights. I really love to travel in the night guys, because there will not be much of traffic, and it will be very pleasant to travel in night time. But it is, I don't know, but for us it is very we feel very good traveling in night time. We reached Mangalagiri here, and we have a plan of visiting Anakala Narasimha Swami temple here, which is very famous, guys. So nearby we found it is the dinner time. Actually, it was around 10:30 or 11 o'clock. So there were no restaurants were there on the way. So this was the only restaurants was there because we didn't had a plan of having non-veg here, but finally we have to have it here only because there was no any option. So they were making roti pulkas actually, and I felt really it was so nice to see over there. So finally we had a roti and from egg fried rice and with the country chicken curry like that. It was so tasty, but enjoyed nicely. And finally, after finishing our dinner, it was almost another 5 to 10 minutes. We just booked one room and we just been to the room. This is actually prawns fry, guys. It was very tasty, and this is egg fried rice and roti and country chicken. Finally, we had, and we really enjoyed the taste. Finally, we reached the temple, which I already told you, Panakal Narasimha Swami temple, and it was so beautiful to see that temple, guys, from outside. And now we are just taking a room nearby the temple, and finally we are tired and we finished the dinner also. Now only thing we have to fresh up and have to go to sleep, and because we have to get up early in the morning and go to darshan. And finally we went to hotel room, guys. This is our hotel is, and hotel room we came, and here it is a few precautions we have to take. I just bought the toilet spray here and just spraying because of the precautionary measures. This is how, if you guys you are traveling, please have it with you, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this vlog, guys. This is completely a journey video, and from tomorrow definitely you will be having a good place visits. So definitely I'll make a video of that also, because we have a plan of visiting so many temples, even the beaches, so everything I'm going to upload this. So guys, if you really like this video, who are really watching me for the first time, please subscribe, share, like this video, and let's catch up with a new video tomorrow. Until then, take care, bye bye.